Each bottle of Douxo microemulsion spray holds a secret, a revolutionary delivery system hidden in a velvety smooth liquid. A microemulsion is a liquid comprising a predominant aqueous phase containing suspended oil droplets invisible to the naked eye. Conventional sprays are made of water and an alcohol, which allows only small amounts of oily actives to solubilize. Microemulsions, which contain no alcohol and therefore are not irritant, can contain up to 10,000 times more actives. The droplets released by the Douxo microemulsion spray's special pump are 5 times smaller than the ones released by regular pumps. Thus, one spray covers a greater area and penetrates the dog's fur better. Conventional sprays bring the actives onto the skin surface, and water and alcohol then quickly evaporate. When pumping Douxo microemulsion spray, you spread billions of droplets in a thin mist. Each droplet contains hundreds of spheres and carries them directly onto the skin and fur of the dog. The spheres and the actives they contain mix with the surface lipidic film and travel through the intercellular spaces of the stratum corneum. They also diffuse along the hairs into the hair follicles and the sebaceous glands. Thanks to the storage ability of these elements, the actives can remain and act there for several days. Microemulsion sprays improve the actives' penetration through the epidermal barrier to their site of action. These abilities make it unnecessary to wet the dog with the product to allow an effective amount of actives to reach the skin. They also allow the frequency of use to be reduced from twice daily to once every 2 or 3 days.